There once was a handsome man who decided to drive his brand new Ford Fiesta to a beautiful mystical park. When he got there, he parked alongside two other cars, a Porsche and a Cadillac. When he got out of his car, he took a deep breath and said,
"I wish I had a beautiful woman to share this beautiful day with."
And the handsome man continued on his way into the mystical park. Moments later, a beautiful woman named Goldilocks walked out of the park and up to the three cars. She walked up to the Cadillac, got inside, and said,
"This one is too big."
Then she walked up to the Porsche and got inside and said,
"This one is too small."
Finally, she got inside of the handsome man's Ford Fiesta and said,
"This one's perfect."
As the beautiful Goldilocks was adjusting the rearview mirrors, the handsome man came out of the park and up to the car. He opened the door and Goldilocks looked up. They locked eyes and Goldilocks smiled. The handsome man said,
"Get the hell out of my car. What are you doing here? I'm gonna call the cops."
What? Did you think Goldilocks and him were gonna get together? Would you date someone that broke into your car? The handsome man ended up picking up some bimbo in a red cape on his way home. She needed a lift because a wolf was chasing her or something. I don't know.
Dana Ford Lincoln Mercury, Exit 7 West Shore Expressway.
DanaFLM.com.